Alrighty, hello everybody. And today we got a new cow, or just calf. It was just born about less than 24 hours ago. We got our pens here. We had to take it in because it was, very cold. So, got it in the barn over here. Got the tractor. Let's go in here. See what's going on. See. So the calf is right behind this cow right here, the mama, and there you go. So this calf was born less than 24 hours ago.
Colby, I'm gonna give him some hay.
All right.
Does the mama got plenty of water?
See. Not quite.
You let everybody know that we had to bring her in because of how cold and wet it was out.
Yep.
Let's go check. I'm gonna go in there and check on the calf.
Got the baby over there. See if I can sneak it. All right. There you go.
Healthy heifer.
As you can see, it's a little heifer, and if you don't know what a heifer means, it means that it's a girl calf. So
When did it become a cow?
it came a cow.
When does it become a cow?
Oh, it becomes a cow maybe
After it has its first calf.
after it has its first calf. I didn't know that. That's a new fact that I just learned, just like you guys are going to learn a lot about cows. So, it's a very nice one.
Mom and baby are doing good.
Yep. So, I'll keep in touch with you guys on this cow. It's pretty special. So, I think that's just where I'm going to end it. See you in another cow video later. Bye.